In the vibrant hills of Jamaica, where the sun kissed the lush greenery, lived a young man named Roy Johnson. At just 20 years old, he carried an anxious aura, yearning for purpose beyond the lively rhythms of his homeland. One day, while wandering through a quiet monastery nestled among the mountains, he met Mr. Santos, a wise and gentle Asian monk who had traveled far to seek enlightenment. Mr. Santos noticed Roy's curiosity and took him under his wing. One afternoon, seated beneath a sprawling banyan tree, Mr. Santos began to teach him about discipline, patience, and the importance of restraint, especially the rules of abstinence. He explained that abstinence was not mere denial, but a path to inner clarity, to connect with something greater than oneself. "Roy," Mr. Santos said softly, "to abstain is to silence the noise within, to listen to the whisper of your true self. It is a way to find peace amid chaos." Inspired by these words, Roy decided to embrace this discipline fully. He learned to control his desires, to meditate daily, and to live simply. The more he practiced, the more he felt a profound sense of calm. His restless energy transformed into a gentle strength, and he found joy in the stillness. Over time, the monastery became his home, and the teachings of Mr. Santos shaped his journey. His cool and calm Jamaican roots and his grandfather's spirit blended with the serenity of his new life. Through abstinence, he discovered that true freedom came not from external pleasures, but from mastering himself. Years later, Roy would stand before others, sharing his story. He'd speak of the power of discipline, the beauty of silence, and how a chance encounter with a wise monk from afar changed his life forever. His path was one of humble devotion, a testament to the transformative power of intention and self-control. And so, in the heart of the mountains, a young Jamaican boy found his purpose, not in the noise of the world, but in the quiet strength within.